Hi, everybody. Happy week 6, module 6. I am sorry to say we can't take off the week of Thanksgiving because this is only an 8-week class, so we've got to keep pushing forward. There's my cat saying hello. He likes to be on the Zoom meetings. I guess he likes to be on these meetings too. So this week we're going to be looking at leadership and power on politics. So you've already been reflecting on leadership, servant leadership, in terms of the characteristics of principled leaders that the Citadel looks at. So the leadership chapter describes kind of the history of leadership research, moving from starting out where we thought leaders were born and we just had to find them in the population, to identifying or trying to identify the one best way to lead, figuring out that wasn't quite right, that the best leadership style depends on the situation. And now looking at more charismatic leaders, transformational leaders, authentic leaders. So take a look at all those options and see what might help you in your leadership approach. Second topic is power in politics. So Cialdini writes about influence. He's the best in terms of explaining ways to influence people. So I've given you a couple resources for him. And then looking at your social network. That's the assignment I'm going to ask you to do. So take a look and see if there's anything there that would be helpful to you. So we've got 2 chapters in the text. Cialdini. So there's a video where he talks. I think the link is his website. So take a look at any of those to learn about influence. The journal materials, I have a lot of different ideas here. The journal assignment for this week focuses on failures, but it also talks about respect, building trust, learning from failures. So we've got readings, videos. Take a look and see what might be helpful for you. And again, our assignments. So one is a discussion board. So I'm going to ask you to find a leader in the headlines and use some specific concepts to try to explain that leader's behavior and what you can learn. Some of you already got started on that. Okay, so your map your social network assignment. This is a lot of kind of math and calculating. You don't need to turn all that in. This is an activity that's actually from the textbook. I've created some of the documents myself in case you want to use those. So I don't need your calculations, just the questions on the second page. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Just getting you to think about your network. Is it big enough? Do you need any more people on it? And then the journal again. Respect others by building trust and learning from mistakes. So this has a couple of ideas in it. I'm asking you to focus on your mistakes, making a mistake and learning from it. Are you encouraged to take risks and make mistakes and create a plan to learn more from mistakes? So certainly in some settings, we don't want you to make a mistake because it could be a life or death. So maybe try out new things that aren't in the life and death part of your job. Okay, so try out a new way of giving feedback or motivating people. Finally, how do you encourage others to learn from your mistakes? So hope you all have a wonderful week and get to spend some time with family and friends. Thankful to have you all in my class this week, and see you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.